Every vitamin in our bodies functions like a perfectly tuned orchestra, helping us to maintain the best possible health. These tiny powerhouses, which include vitamins and minerals, make sure our bodies run like well-oiled gears. However, what occurs if the music becomes out of tune? Imagine that your body is a treasure trove of essential nutrients. The moment any one piece of the puzzle disappears, mayhem follows. Deficits in certain nutrients do not discriminate. They can impact both herbivores and carnivores, young or old. Even the diets that appear to be the most balanced might occasionally fall short, leaving us open to a variety of symptoms that can negatively impact our quality of life. But with the right information, you can interpret the nonverbal cues your body gives you. You come along on this engrossing voyage into the mind-boggling maze of vitamin shortages. Number 1. Pale lips. Pale lips can indicate a vitamin shortage that may be present in your body. Therefore, they are not only a cosmetic issue. They are frequently associated with insufficient consumption of vital nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. These tiny powerhouses are essential for keeping your lips healthy overall and their brilliant color. An iron shortage can cause anemia, exhaustion, and even pale lips. It can cause havoc on your health. To make hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen to your tissues, your body requires iron. Reduce oxygen availability due to low iron levels. Make your lips appear pale and wash out. Number 2. Poor night vision. A range of nutrients are necessary for your eyes to perform at their peak. Zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, C, and E, and zinc play important roles in preserving the best possible health of the eyes. Your night vision may deteriorate if you don't consume enough of this nutrient-dense powerhouse, which will cause you to squint and stumble in the dusk. Your retinas benefit greatly from vitamin A, a superhero in the field of eye health, as it aids in the detection of the light. Its absence may make it more difficult for you to see in dim light. Zinc helps produce melanin, the pigment that helps your eyes adjust to changing light levels, while vitamin C and E protect your eyes from harmful free radicals. Number 3. Brittle hair. Your hair might become brittle and more vulnerable to damage if it is deficient in iron, vitamin D, or other critical minerals. Brittle hair is frequently your body's loud scream for help. Other important components are zinc, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids. Your hair will be weak and lifeless without these essential elements. By eating a balanced diet rich in leafy greens, fish, nuts, and seeds, you can easily avoid this bullet. To give your hair the extra push it needs, think about taking biotin tablets while you're at it. Number 4. Puffy eyes. You might be surprised to learn that the puffy, wary eyes are not merely a bad morning surprise. Actually, they might be alerting you to a nutritional shortage in your body. Although the bags under your eyes may not seem serious, they could be a sign that your body isn't getting the essential nutrients it needs. Your body may become unbalanced due to inadequate intake of certain nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, or K, which can lead to inflammation and fluid retention around the eyes. These dietary deficits may worsen blood circulation, which might result in the dreaded puffiness. Recall that your eyes serve as more than just portals to the spirit. They serve as the entrances to your general well-being. Therefore, if you notice swollen eyes on your face, it could be time to examine your nutrient intake more closely and provide your eyes the nutrients they need. Number 5. Dry skin. Your skin serves as your first line of defense against the harsh elements of the outside world. So when it begins to behave strangely, it's time to take notice. Skin that is scaly, rough, and dull may be begging for the vitamins and minerals it needs to be radiant and healthy. It feels as though your skin is calling out to you to assist it with a tiny red flag. Pay attention to the signals that your body is giving you. Rather focus on your food and ensure that you're getting enough of the nutrients that are good for your skin, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These superheroes can help restore moisture, strengthen your skin's natural defenses, and restore that radiant young appearance. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 6. Constant muscle pain. Imagine your muscles as a symphony in which each and every nutrient is a conductor, ensuring that the harmony is maintained. A single missing ingredient can cause the entire symphony to become unbearably loud. So how can you escape this traumatic outcome? Let's start by discussing the vitamins and minerals. Make sure your diet is well balanced and full of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and other necessary nutrients to provide your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. To fully unleash the impact of vitamin C, D, and E, load your plate with foods like spinach, citrus fruits, almonds, and salmon. The powerful trio of calcium, magnesium, and potassium should not be disregarded because they are essential for maintaining healthy muscles. Eat a lot of bananas, leafy greens, and dairy products to help your body restore its stores and prevent cramping in your muscles. Number 7. Tingling sensation in the hands and feet. Deficits in essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and vitamins B12, B6, and E are frequently associated with tingling hands and feet. Your nerves go crazy when these nutrients are deficient, which causes the tingling sensation. These nutrients are essential for the health and proper functioning of your nerves. How therefore can you regain equilibrium and bid tingling farewell? It all comes down to feeding your body the correct nutrition. Consume plenty of foods high in vitamins such as broccoli, spinach, eggs, milk, and chicken breast. Remember to include foods high in potassium, magnesium, and calcium such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, as well as green veggies. Number 8. Weakened bones. The building block of bones, calcium is a major player in maintaining the health of bones. Increase your intake of dairy products, fortified foods, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. Hold on, though calcium by itself won't win this battle. The unsung hero that aids your body's efficient absorption and utilization of calcium is vitamin D. To keep your bones strong, get some sunshine. Eat fatty fish like salmon and experiment with foods fortified with vitamin D. Number 9. Dental problems. Dental issues may be more than just inconvenient. They might be a neon sign that flashes to indicate a nutritional shortage. Cavities, irritable gums, and enamel erosion are warning signs that you should pay attention to since they may be attempting to tell you something important about your general health. But worry not, we have a formula for a brilliant smile, and a solid set of teeth will astound your dentist. To strengthen those pearly whites, start by consuming a lot of foods high in calcium, such as dairy products, leafy greens, and almonds. Remember to increase your intake of vitamin D by getting plenty of sunshine or by eating lots of salmon and eggs. If you have inflamed gums, citrus fruits and bell peppers are good sources of vitamin C that can help fight gum disease. Number 10. Body rashes. Do you have enough of putting up with bothersome body rashes that just won't go away? Guess what though? It's possible that they are providing you with significant health-related information. Unbelievably, those red itching areas may indicate a nutritional need. Yes, your skin is trying to tell you something, and now is the time to pay attention. Our bodies are amazing machines that need a balanced diet rich in vital nutrients in order to operate at their best. Our skin may be negatively impacted by vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Zinc, vitamins A, C, and E, among other nutrients, are essential for keeping skin healthy. Our skin's natural defenses are compromised without them, leaving it more prone to irritation, dryness, and rashes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below. Do you experience one of said indications? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.